Hey there, welcome back to our channel where we dive into expert tips, guides, and insights on WordPress, plugins, and themes. Today, we will explore a powerful strategy connecting your quizzes with the WooCommerce store through our quiz and survey master plugin. Sounds intriguing, right? So, let's get started. By integrating WooCommerce with the QSM plugin in WordPress, you can create engaging quizzes that lead directly to product recommendations. This approach can improve your user experience and also personalize your customer's shopping journey. I'm using here a WordPress test site with the help of InstaWP. Now let's start by going to the quizzes and surveys tab from the QSM option. Here's the fashion quiz that I have created in advance. As you can see, all the questions are added. Now I will set up WooCommerce with this quiz. And for that, I'm clicking on the add-ons option and navigating to the WooCommerce settings. Here we can see two settings, adding product heading and product columns, which I have updated already. I'll just save the settings. Now, let's go to the All Products tab from the Products option. See, here are all the products that I have listed. Let's click on Edit. As you can see, I have added the description of the product and I can edit it if I want to. But right now, we will scroll down to the QSM quiz option. And in the select quizzes box, I've added the fashion quiz. You can see more options I've set, like payment message, quiz list heading, number of attempts, and message for exceeded attempts. Now that I've set it all, I'll just update it. Next, let's go to my WooCommerce store page. Here are all the listed products. Let me open the first product page. You can see here the fashion quiz I added for this product. This quiz is not publicly accessible and is only available after purchasing the associated product. So I will add the product to the cart for purchase. As you can see, the quiz appears on the cart page as well as on the checkout page because I enabled those options in the product settings. Now, I'll go ahead and purchase the product. Another important thing, you can recommend products in your quiz based on the quiz results. Here's what I'm doing. I will go to the results page in the fashion quiz and then select related products for result page and save it. Now, let me go back to the checkout page. I have already purchased the product. So here are the order details. I will click on the fashion quiz. Here's the preview of it. Let me take the quiz and submit it. This is the result I got, and based on the result condition and the related products I set, here's the list of preferred products I could see along with the pricing and add cart options. I can also add the product to the cart from here. That's it. To summarize, we learned how to create a personalized customer experience by connecting quizzes to your WooCommerce products. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more great content like this. Thanks for watching and happy selling. See you next time.